Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to screen mirror iPhone to PC or laptop. The first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Microsoft Store. So here I'll simply search for Microsoft Store, then open it just like this. And once you open the Microsoft Store, you should search here on the top for Air Screen Mirroring Receiver. You should search for this app. Just click on it, then click on Get. And it is not that much big. It is a quick download. It will not take any time. It's only 17 megabytes. So now after downloading it, click on Open. And here you have this desktop name. You can name it any name that you need. I'll name it, let's play Fortnite, for example. All right, then click on OK. Now here you have the name. So now let's head to our iPhone. First thing that you should do on your iPhone is to simply swap down from the top and now click on this icon right here. And here you will find the name of your device that you have typed actually here. And you need to know that you should be connected on the same internet network to be able to connect on this. Then now after connection, it will look just like so. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in a new video.